Hi, Jen. This is Cassandra. I have a family obligation tonight at around 5, so I'm trying to get everything done, even though it's not completed quite yet. I'm still having problems with one of the mashups on Android. Um, Everything else works. I've got what am I? Where am I? Where am I is the one I want to look at last. Um, Actually, let's try it now and see if it's going to work for me. It doesn't. It doesn't normally work for me on this one. Sometimes it does. I've had it working a couple of times. I don't know why it doesn't show up. I've tried letting it sit and it's just not going to happen. Um, it's the same code as the iOS. I think what it is some kind of permissions issue because it's not coming up with any of my alerts or anything like that. So I have what do I look like, which I made into kind of a mashup. Gonna do all this first because there we go. Hi. Um, if I take the picture, it's supposed to be gives me the camera sound. I can save it. Nice picture. Then it goes there. Goes there. It's supposed to buzz, but for some reason this doesn't seem to want to do it. Um, but you can look at the code and see what I've got. I probably should have done that. Hopefully it'll go back. There we go. I have the game over, which is a mashup on this one. I'm not sure why that did that. We'll go back. Just to show you I still have some other stuff too. Um, the game over doesn't beep on this one, and I don't know why. I mean, I've got it to where it's supposed to beep, but it doesn't, even though it says it buzzes. So, but that's in there. It is the best I could do in such a short amount of time. I worked all night trying to just get this redone. Let me go ahead and bring up FaceTime because I couldn't use the camera and the Android stuff at the same time. I'll show you what I have on. Oh, I gotta do this. Go into Xcode, play, FaceTime. Got. Hopefully it comes up because sometimes it doesn't like to. It really just depends. It definitely doesn't like to whenever it's coming up as an iPhone. Why it's doing that, I don't know. It wasn't changed. So let me try that again. Run. But it does run now on this, so I'm happy with that I finally got this going back. You can see it's coming up. Um, the good thing about this is like the game over. Yay! It beeps. And then let's go home. The camera one. Oh, that's a nice picture of my neck. Da-da-da. But it has different controls here, which looks much nicer. It takes the picture, and when you use it, it's supposed to buzz, but I don't know that I added it to this one yet, but no, didn't buzz this time. And that's probably because I didn't put it in quite right. It was pretty late last night. But on the other hand, I do have this going back here, and I have um, this one is the one that I want to get to work. It asks me if I get my location, and then it puts it in and the temperature. So, oh my goodness. It actually came up with the right one. Whenever I was using it on the Android, it wouldn't come up with the right one. It kept putting me in San Francisco. So now that it's on here and working right, it actually put me exactly where I'm at. And it's 80 degrees, which is a beautiful day, even though we've had rain for the last few days. Anyway, that's as much as I've got. I'm not sure what else I'm going to be able to do in the next couple of hours, but if I change it up any, I will definitely let you know. Like I said, I would like to get some help and actually figure out why it's not working. This one isn't working on there. So if you have any ideas, just let me know. Anyway, thanks a lot, and I'm not going to make this too long this time. Thanks.